Hi, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Sugo 2's pizza dough. Things you will need: flour for dusting, oven tray, pizza screen or preheated pizza stone. Crank up your oven to at least 250 degrees, pizza sauce, and of course your favourite toppings. For an airy, crunchy crust, allow the dough to double in size and reach room temperature before opening the pouch. Now this could take anywhere between 3 and 6 hours depending on the season and the ambient temperature. If the dough pouch has expanded with air, that is completely normal and it means the yeast has worked its magic. To speed up the process, you can pop the dough pouch in a sink full of hot water, not boiling, for about 30 minutes. The next step is stretching. We love to use an upturned bowl for a quick, easy, round shape. After the dough is stretched, carefully place it straight onto the baking paper. Now it's time to top. Now remember, less is more. No one wants a soggy pizza, so apply the toppings evenly. Start by applying the sauce in a circular motion from the center. Then add your cheese, then the other toppings. Bake your pizza in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the crust is golden brown and your toppings are cooked. And now that your pizza's ready, garnish and serve.